Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to turn off mouse acceleration in Windows 11. So in this video I will show you two methods, so you can use both methods. Let's start with the video. First of all, click on Windows icon and then click on Settings. After that, on the left hand side, click on Bluetooth and Devices and then scroll down, click on mouse option, and from here click on additional mouse settings. Here you will get this kind of small window. So on the top you will see the pointer option. Click on this pointer option. So here you can see this is the option we need, which is enhanced pointer precision. So you have to disable this option and it will disable mouse acceleration in Windows 11. After that, click on apply and then click on OK and then close this window. So this was our first method. Now move to the second method. So in the second method, click on Windows icon, click on search box and type control panel. Click on control panel. After that, in view section, select large icons, click on large icons and then click on mouse. So here on the top of your screen you will see pointer options. Click on pointer options and after that you will see enhanced pointer precision option. So you have to disable this option and then click on apply and then click on OK. So these are the two methods you can apply. So guys, in this video we saw how to turn off mouse acceleration on Windows 11. If you find the video helpful, then don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel.